Hello, guys. Welcome back again. Long time no see. A lot has been happening. I've had so much to do out there, and I just wanted to make sure I keep sourcing out the best packages for you guys. So let's get right into this interesting package we have. We have this Dior sneakers from DANDYSHOE that are you. They are the best. As you guys know, that name sounds familiar right now to you because they are always my best source for getting premium quality. So if you want, at the end of this video, if you love everything that you see, definitely, I have no doubt you're not going to love this. And if you want to purchase this, please, this information on this sheet of paper is everything you need. They are very prompt in response. You could message them in any of their social media handles. You could also message them on WhatsApp and ask them for whatever product you have. If you have pictures, send to them, and definitely they're gonna come through best prices, fastest shipping. I'm not kidding you. If you're familiar here, you know every time you could count on DANDYSHOE. So guys, get on it. Let's get right into the details of everything we have here. So first off, we have premium packaging as usual. We have the shopping bag. We have the pouch for the shoe, extra shoelace as always, premium from Dandy. You have the pouch to store your extra shoelaces. And as well, we have a dust bag to protect your shoe. We also have the receipt as usual that always comes in a teal envelope that you can store. And for the big deal here, we can see our shoes are perfectly packed up inside. Actually, the shade on the sneakers is a light gray and white with a combination of a shiny a metallic gray on the CD part. You might not be able to see the light gray colorway on this because it's really light, but in person it's evident. So we have the sizing details, accuracy, the placement of the deal, the CD, the lettering and the designs rightly placed as usual. Get into the quality of the sneakers, the undersole, everything is rightly placed. As you guys know, I always make sure it goes as it should. We don't want no wrong placement here. We don't do those right here. DANDYSHOE will always give you mirror quality, one-on-one mirror quality that I always believe that this is from the Dior store itself. Fun fact is the last pair of shoes I got from them, I actually wore it to Dior stop at the store at the Qatar airport. That's how premium they are. So believe me, you're not gonna regret spending on this. So if you want this, remember, like I said, every information would be also put down in the description below. So I'm just gonna leave you to enjoy those pieces. And remember that down going on this video, you're going to get to see this on foot, so you can see exactly how it fits and how best you can style this, just like how I have styled mine. Remember to take one size up, guys. Always take a size up. Enjoy. And see you on the next one. Shop Dandy, guys. Shop DANDYSHOE, guys. They are the best.